Oh nah, man! I had to turn on the stream. I had to turn on this Hawks game. I got this joint in the background. I had to turn this joint on. I had to turn this joint on. I had to turn on this Hawks game. But nah, I didn't go back. Hopefully it come back over here. Nah, I was turning on the game real quick. I know the jump about to start. So I was like, let me just turn it on in the background real quick. But man, man, I'm tight, man. I'm tight what gold did to me. Look what I entered gold today. I'm like, all right. I went break even on gold, and look what. Soon as I went break even, look what happened, bro. That's why I just need to close my shit, man. Look what happened on gold today. I was up like, I ain't gonna lie. I woke up in the middle of the night, and I woke up in the morning at like 5. Bro, I was up like, oh my gosh, cause I was gonna win like 3,000 off this. I said, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I said, fuck it, I'm gonna just risk high. Because I just want to pass the chip. Not pass, but I'm like, I'm gonna lose 1,000 or I'm gonna gain like 2.5. I'm up like 2 bands right here. I'm up 2 bands. When I was here, I was down like 1,200. I'm like, fuck. I was up 2 bands, so I'm at like 102 or something like that. I'm at like 102, 101. Around almost 102. I see right here, I'm like 98. I said, ugh. Let me just exit this bitch once it hit break even. Soon as it hit break even, that shit hit TP. I know it was coming here though. I just didn't know. Like I like I said, I'm always right. I know where the market is going. It's just I don't know how. It just broke structures for me off the 15-minute. Like I'm like the only way I went break even because I'm like if it go back up here, it's gonna go break even. But if I look at structure right here, it's still telling me it wanted to go down. Maybe because I see this right here. I seen. Damn, I was upset. Like I seen this right here, so I'm thinking. When I seen this, I'm like, all right, it should. I'm in my head. I'm like, it shouldn't go back to break even. If it go back to break even, I'm gonna just get out. But I won't. I don't be looking at. I barely don't be looking at the charts. I said, let me check gold. I probably up because when I looked in the morning, I was up 2 bands. I think I looked around like 9, and I was just down. Yeah, I was. It was like 9 o'clock. It was like 9 o'clock. Yeah, I checked it at 6, 2 bands. I looked at 9, down 1,000. I'm saying fucking fuck, bro. I'm like, damn, nigga. I'm like, damn. And then I said, bro, as soon as I got here, I started rubbing my hands. I'm like, yes. But for some odd reason, I'm like, I ain't gonna lie. For some reason, maybe because I am down on an account. If I was at like 100K, I probably would have held this trade and popped another trade. Because in my head, I'm like, it don't really want to go down. Maybe this is a fake out. The only way I did this fake out, because what the hell did this to me? I think it was Nas. No, it was, I don't know what the fuck trade I was. Oh, it was gold. Yeah, gold. I was still in buys. I was in buys for 2 weeks. Oh, fucking. Oh my gosh, bro. It was gold what did it to me. I was in gold. Remember, I've been holding gold since like right here. And I just kept popping entries in. So I was in gold like right here, right here, right here, right here. I was in like 5 golds, but I started getting a little risky. I think I was up like 2 bands. I think this is where I think I exit gold like right here. Cause I'm like, I thought this was a fake out right here. I'm like, gold don't want to go lower. I thought this was a fake out right here. I'm like, gold doesn't want to go any lower than this right here. That's what I'm thinking in my head. But how structure was looking, I kind of knew it was going to go down eventually. I think gold is going to come back to here, low key. I would hope it come back to here. I just buy. I'll buy again. And then I was in like 6 golds, and then I gained like probably like $800. I was up like when I was here, I was up like fucking 3. I was up like 3. I'm telling you, I was fucking. I ain't gonna say I was greedy. I just thought gold would have kept going up. I'm not saying I'm greedy. I can't, because I'm like, gold eventually is gonna come back to here, but structure do gotta go down though. But gold did what I wanted to do. It's just I be ignorant sometimes. Like when I bought right here, like where I bought at. I bought right here. Like when it hit equal highs, it did hit equal highs. And then I think I had like stop loss like right here. I had it going all the way up here though. It hit equal highs. I'm like, usually when it hit equal highs, I go break even. But I'm like, man, if it come back here because I entered again, I said I might be up like 5 bands. I said I'm gonna be up like 5 bands. And then once I thought this was just fake out. So I didn't really believe it was bearish. Like this is a bearish move though. This is a bearish move because it's just breaking lows. But I'm like, man, it's a fake out. This shit went down here. I was holding this shit. I was holding a lot. And I was like, let me pop some. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be in a little I just wanted to pass the channel. I ain't gonna lie. But I knew in my head, this is what I knew. I've been holding gold for 2 weeks. Even if I pop it and it goes down to like right here, I'ma still be profitable. I'ma just be upset. I've been holding gold for 2 weeks, up 3 bands, and I just lost it all. And this is what I did. I ain't gonna lie. I was popping shit. Yeah, I was nah. The thing about this being risky, it won't no dumb risky. Like I was being risky, like I knew I was still gonna be profitable at the end. It was just I've been holding gold for 2 weeks. Like I knew I was still gonna have money because I was in a shit from down here. So I'm like, I know I'ma still have profit. It's just if I come here and at least come back up to here, I probably would have passed the shit. I popped like a 0.10 or something, like a 0.15. I was like, I was down like 800. I was down like 800, but the shit from down here was like up, like it was up so much. So I'm like, it was up, and then the shit from like right here was kind of like in a break even area. So I'm like, man, let me just exit. But if it came up here, I would have passed. And then Loki, I probably would have got a payout today because gold. Once I seen 2 bands today, I would have just took that shit and been like, let me just get a payout. But I don't really see nothing. Like GJ been cold, ice cold. GJ don't really know what to do. GJ really been ice cold for me. Oh shit, I could have entered GJ today. Fuck. I could have entered. I just don't want to enter a sell. But I think it's going to drop a little bit. I could have entered a sell right here. I would have entered a sell like right here. I would have did something like this. Once this break again, I would have went break even. I'd have did some shit like this today. I think it's still gonna go up though. I think shit is still gonna go up. I think GJ still gonna go up. Let me see who's winning. I swear I think the Knicks gonna lose. 5-4. Nigga Cat talking about he wanna stay in New York the rest of his life. Y'all lose, you ain't staying nowhere, nigga. But yeah. I ain't really got no. Damn, I missed this for real. I really did miss this. Not really breaking. Now I only bet on the Hawks to I might start betting. I only bet on the Hawks to make the conference finals. And that's nah, so this is what I did. So if the Hawks make the conference finals, I bet 50. I think I went 400. if they make the conference. If they make the finals, I think I win like I think I win 1,000. I bet 50. I could see it. No, I win 500. Something like that. I don't know. It was something. It was like 600 or some shit. I don't be looking at that zone. I told you I really bet on the Hawks. I bet $100, 50 for the conference finals, 50 for the finals. I don't think they're gonna make the finals though, but I'm not trying to joke. I strongly believe they can make the conference. I don't. It's like what? Because really think about it. Real shit. Think about it. Real shit. If they beat the Knicks, they beating whoever is next. They either gonna play Orlando or they gonna play Pistons, and Pistons only got Cade, bro. Like I just don't believe in that shit. Like, yeah, so the Knicks gotta kind of win because even if the Knicks win, they could beat. I don't know. I just don't believe in the Pistons. I think Orlando could beat the Pistons. I ain't gonna lie, both of the teams look like they trashed. Though I ain't watched the game too. I should have watched it, but it was a low scoring game. I'm kind of upset I ain't entered this bitch. Not really, cause I ain't really like. Could I sold right here? Boom. I wouldn't even have sold. This broke up. Let's see. So go from here to here. Yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, because anything from here, there's a 15 level, a hour level. Oh my gosh, it's like I be missing shit. This, I don't know what the fuck the market gonna do. I could find some low shit on the lower time frame, but like I'm always right, bro. Like I know where the market is going, like long term. Like look at this shit. Long term, like you could have entered an early one right here and one right here. I think, but if this shit do drop, this is what I can do though. I ain't gonna lie, I trade this now. I trade this now. Yeah, long term is like super, like gold. Like I'm not trying to be on no funny shit. If yeah, that was the thing. When I was in gold from down here, I ain't gonna lie. If I didn't pop extra entries, I would have still held gold. I would have still held it. I would have held it because bro, gold is coming back all the way up here. It's gonna come because it's respecting daily structure. So it's like it's just gonna take a long time. I just wanted to scale. I really just want to be done. I'm like, bro, I just want to be done. I've been trading this shit for like a month. I really want to be done, bro. At least by May, nigga. I want to have the account. I'm just up in the ante low key. So this is what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna really wait for gold. I'm entering again right here because it kind of already showed me it wants to stay above. I'm not even trying to joke. I'm gonna enter one right here. If it goes even lower, I enter one here, and it's just gonna come back up daily wise. And then, yeah, I'm gonna just like if I lose. The thing about me, if I lose, I'm gonna just lose like 2K. But if I win, I'm gonna just win till I pass. GJ, really, I really just need to wait for buys. Like if it comes here, this would be like a nice buy. Not really, because I don't know what the fuck the stop loss would be. Yeah, I know I'm a pass. It's just taking a long time. Like I ain't gonna lie. Like if I ever do a challenge again, I'm not even trying to be on no funny shit. I won't trade like this. I'm not trading. I just risk. I'm not trying to joke. I just risk. Because after I pass this shit, I'm going to just keep this shit forever. Like, it's not really hard to lose money once you know how to really trade. It's not really hard. It's just, I can't really hold on. Like gold, I don't know. It's like some shit you have to cut short. Like gold, like that's the only thing about the challenge. You're gonna lose if you hold gold. Like if I lose, you're gonna hold gold, but I know gold is gonna come back up. That's why I'm gonna just make my own fucking money eventually. Like The best opportunity I got is entering US 30 if it doesn't break below here, but comes here, it doesn't break below. I could just hold US 30 to pass. I swear, I hope 30 don't go up no more. I hope it come back down here. This would be a nice entry. Nas, I'm not entering Nas, it's too high. Yeah, Nas already broke all-time highs. So I'm thinking US 30 is next. Please come down here tomorrow. Please come out here tomorrow. And then Sundays be making gaps. If I ever see like Sunday made this gap, I think the Sunday after that made it. Look, Sunday after that, it made another gap. Bro, gap fills on like up time frames. I was going to enter here, but I was scared because I'm like, man, structure just don't look right. But it's Sunday. I should have just entered that bitch. Like I would have still been in this. Or I mean, maybe I would have passed. I probably would have been like up 3 bands. Only way I don't be entering, it'd be my psychology. Cause I'd be like, I'm up 3 bands on gold. I don't really need this shit. That's how I was thinking. If you win next. Oh, they in Atlanta too. Yeah, gold. Hopefully it come back down here. GJ, hopefully it come down here. And then I gotta find some type of structure for buys to even buy. Yeah, I'm about to. Yeah, I gotta find some structure. And then like last year, I think last year I was right. I kept saying Pacers is my sleeper team. I said Pacers is my sleeper team. Like, uh, I was confident in like this is why the Hawks is my sleeper team because they not if they beat the Knicks, they're gonna beat whoever's in second round. They gonna beat whoever's in second round. I don't believe in the Pistons. I don't in the Magic. Magic is streaky. I was fucking with them heavy last year. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. All right, let's see. Boom. Okay, I can find another cell here. Watch. Let's just delete this. I'm gonna find another cell off this one. Because granted, it already did his daily move. Like, let's not even look at this shit. It already did his daily fucking structure move. So this is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to 4 hour broke structure, broke structure, broke structure. Came here. You would have bought right here. Probably would have bought like right here. Somewhere. You would have bought somewhere right here. Look at structure on the hour. See where it breaks out at. Breaks out. Look at 15 minutes then. Boom. Breaks out here. Boom. Breaks out here. Breaks out here. You'd have entered right here. Boom. Bam. Enter again. And then hold to here. Go break even. And then let it run. The market is so damn fucking easy. It's like I just like how this move, G and GJ. That's it. I don't really like no other Forex pair. I used to look at this back in the day. I love how this move. It's just a lot of niggas don't talk about the peso shit. I don't know how they spread is though on the challenge. I'm gonna have to look. If the spread crazy, I'm not trading this shit. But what I'm gonna look for, yeah, the spread. I gotta look at the spread because the spread might be like super. I remember one jump, the spread was like super trash for this. Let me see, MetaTrader. If the spread trash for this, I'm gonna just have to cancel. I think it is. It's on like 500. Like, where would I enter at? I'm gonna have to put on the settings. It's let's see, 500. So if I could, oh no, let's see. Oh, that spread kind of that shit is high. He's talking about 500. Extra. Hmm. I gotta see where I enter. I know I could add it. Let's see. I want to just enter like a low ass lot, like the super low lot. I just want to see. Let's enter a 0.01. Let's just see. Yeah, the lot. Yeah, this shit. Bro, look where the fuck I entered that. God damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to exit this one. Like I just entered this joint now. Look where this joint is at. You look, bro. I don't know if you can see it. This joint is far. I don't even know if you can see it. Look where I entered. I just entered it now. Look what the spread on this joint. Let me look at the hour. Yo, that spread is crazy. I don't know why the spread is so crazy though. Let me see. No, it's a crazy and this shit gonna go break even too. Bro, look at the spread. Like, look why I entered that. Whatever. Man, this shit is not focusing. It is not focusing. But the spread is super trash. I'm gonna hold it though. Just cause. Just to go back break even. Just to lose. I'm only gonna gain 46 cents. I'm down, but bro, the spread is super trash. I didn't know the spread was this garbage. I'm gonna have to find another pair. Because even on a 4 hour, that shit looks so far. If it looked far on a 4 hour, something is up. I really think because it's so easy to trade, but I don't know. I don't know why the spread trash. Maybe because it's the peso. I don't know. Like, I think where the fuck maybe I'm gonna do a different time. I'm gonna do a different time. Like, it got me like. So do you see how where the market is at now? It got me like right here. That's like super crazy. I'm gonna see if it's lower tomorrow or like in prime time. They say USD. I'm gonna see if it's like 200 instead of 5. If it's like 200, I'd do it. But 500 is super crazy because that's even half of that, and that's still crazy. So I ain't really got nothing else to look at. I might have to find a different pair because it's like, or I could really just stay with G. GJ just been quiet, low key. I could have entered the sell today right here. Nas. The fuck. I missed this on Nas. Oh my gosh, I just be missing shit. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I just be missing shit. I had the bro, I just be missing shit. I'm not gonna hold you. I just be missing shit, bro. I had an alert here. No, I don't. Oh no! When I seen this shit, I'ma said I didn't put the alert back in. I'm like, let it come back up here. If it come back up here, I'm a buy. I didn't put another. Oh my gosh! Let it go back down though. Let it come. I don't know. Shit, I don't know, man. Oh no, I didn't want to trade this because it's already at an all-time high. No, but I think it's gonna keep breaking above. Hopefully, it fill this gap though. Maybe come back down. Come back down. Oh my gosh, bro! Look how much entry. Oh my, yeah, I could have entered this right here. What time was it? 4. Yeah, I wouldn't have entered this. Never mind. Never. Okay, I see why I wouldn't have entered this. It was 4 o'clock because I would have entered what here. Stop loss right there. Take profit probably like right here. I probably would have went break even though. This shit is easy, but yeah, I'll wait. But yeah, I'm gonna get off this. I'm gonna watch the rest of the game, man. I'm gonna tap in. And look, the Hawks up. Come on. I gotta. Hey, I'm gonna tap in, bro. Let me tap into this game.